I'll go to Kylie Cosmetics Instagram and tell them to please put me on their PR list so I can try out their stuff. That would be great. Starting out with a primer to prevent any creasing, I'm going to put that all over my eyelid, and I just want to apologize for the lighting of this look. It's just during the eye look, I did not realize that I had my camera on the wrong setting until after I finished the eye look, and I was so pissed. So sorry, it looks kind of weird. And the palette that I'm going to use is the Dose of Colors mini palette. It did have all, I just mainly used it for the red. I thought it was a perfect red. I'm taking the orange, matte orange shade, and I'm putting that into my crease and blending that out with the Sigma E38 blending brush. You can also use the Violet Voss Coral, I think it's called Coral Crush palette. I was going to use that one as well, but I liked this red. It just kind of fit better with this look. And then so I used the matte red shade and I put that further into my crease. This color looked like the color it was in what she had on her eyes. I don't even know what, honestly, I don't know. I haven't seen the collection that they used for her eyes, so I'm not even sure if it was red. I'm just going off of that one picture that I seen. And then I took the Violet Voss Oh Snap palette. Again, you can use everything in this palette to do the look, but the red was just a little bit deeper, and in Kylie's picture, it looked like she had a little bit of a deeper, maybe it would have been a brown or something, or a darker red in just in the outer corner, so that's where I'm putting it. And then I'm going to use a little bit of concealer to cut the crease, and then I'm going to go back into that gingerbread palette, and I'm going to mix two shades. It kind of looked like she had a little bit of orange, a light orange on the lid, so I'm going to mix the, what color am I mixing? Oh, I used the Dose of Colors, the lightest shimmery shade from that palette, and I put that in the inner corner. And then I'm going to go back to the eyelid, and I used the Violet Voss, Oh Snap, I already said that, Oh Snap palette, and I kind of mixed the orange and the white shade. Well, it's not white, it's kind of like a nude shade, bone color. And then I didn't have a red, or I couldn't find a red or like a burgundy eyeliner, so I used a Time Los Angeles lipstick, liquid lipstick, and it's in the color cranberry, I think. I'll have it listed in the description box below. And this lighting was horrible, and the camera kept blurring out, but I just added a wing, and she looks like she just did it in the outer part of it and didn't go over her whole lid, so that's just what I did. And then I couldn't see what she had in her waterline, so I added a dark brown eyeliner. I kind of just went with what I would have put, and then I added some Tati lashes, and I will have everything listed and linked below. Oh, I'm so angry right now. I can't believe I had it on the wrong settings. I don't know how that's gonna look. Grr, I'm so mad. Primer, I'm gonna use the Hydro Blur primer from Dermalogica. I don't even know what foundation I'm going to use, but I'm going to add a little bit of this Laura Geller Daydreamer Illuminating Drops. And I just apply this to my cheekbones. It's a really thin texture, so it works really well with your foundation. Go ahead and use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. So I'm just going to put it in the center where I want the most product to go. And then I'll blend it out. I'm really not feeling this background light, but whatever. When I was doing the eye look, I thought it looked kind of weird because maybe like the background light was making it look like that because it's kind of like a reddish color. But nope. I'm gonna take a little bit of this ColourPop concealer in Dark 158W. And I'm just gonna kind of go around my jaw. I'm just gonna do my double chin. She definitely does not have a double chin. You guys tried any of her products? Do you like them? Because I haven't tried any of her products. So I don't know if they're good or not. And then I'm gonna set my under eyes. The only reason I hate doing my eyes first is because then I always have to go back into my eyes after I do and finish my eyes after I do my foundation. I'm going to take a little bit of this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation, and I'm just going to go over. This isn't even the sponge that comes with it. My daughter, I don't know what she did with it. But I'm just going to do a sponge and go over. I think this is the wrong color for me, but it's what I have right here. I'm going to finish my eyes after. I have these little stacks from Tarte. What are they called? 9 Ways to Shine Cheek Wardrobe. It comes with like 3 of these. They have holiday sets right now, but it comes with 3 of these, and it comes with like they're different things. I think I'm gonna use this one. So this one has a highlight, a blush, and what looks like I don't know if that's supposed to be a bronzer or a blush, but for me it would be a bronzer. So I think I'm just gonna make it easy and use those 3. There's Sunkissed, Prize, and Peppermint Mocha. So I'm gonna go in. I love these little like magnetic things. I'm gonna go in with Peppermint Mocha as a bronzer, just a little bit. I don't like this brush for this crap. I'm not exactly sure this color is working for me. I'm gonna add a little bit of the blush. It's like a light pinkish mauve-y color. That's really pretty. It really didn't look like she had a lot of highlight on at all. Let me know if you guys have any other looks you would like me to try to recreate. Send me some pictures. I can't forget to finish my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take the highlight and I'm just gonna do it a little bit because, like I said, I don't think she had that much on. Before I do the highlight, I'm gonna take a little bit of setting powder, or a lot, and then kind of just clean everything up. You know what, I think I'm going to take a little bit of the other one because it's a little bit more on the goldish side, and that's what she looked like she had on, which, I don't know, frosty, I guess it's called. Like, I'm going to take very little. I'm going to wipe that off. And as I'm wiping it off, I'm kind of blending it all into my face, just so everything kind of blends a little bit more nicely. I'm going to spray my face with the ColourPop Hyaluronic Setting Mist. Love the way this smells. Okay, I'm going to go back into my eyes finally. Sorry, it took forever. Oh Snap, the Violet Voss Oh Snap palette. And I'm going to take, they don't have any names, so I'm going to take this color right here, and just blend that on the bottom. For lips, I'm going to take MAC's Cherry Lip Liner. You know what's crazy? I used to wear red lips like all the time, and I had my few go-to
lipsticks. Like if I wore a red lip, I knew what I was gonna wear. And I haven't worn it so long since I actually had my daughter, because I can't be kissing her with red lips. So I haven't worn it in so long, and when I first sat down and kind of got everything together that I was going to use, I had no idea. I had no idea whatsoever of what color I wanted, and I just literally had to go and grab like so many and go through so many red lips that I had to try to find what I thought would work. And then this is one of my favorite reds. I don't even think I should be using this anymore because I don't even think it's good. I've had it for so long. It is from Black Moon Cosmetics. I guess, I don't know. But it's one of my favorite reds. It's so pretty. I'm scared. I've had it for a really long time. It's just such a true red though. My camera's gonna die. I love this color. I don't know what happened. Everything started out good. Now anything that can go wrong is going wrong. Ugh.